Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by identifying the stud type. That determines technique. If screw in, hold the sole steady and use the correct stud wrench or pliers. Turn counterclockwise to loosen. For rivets or sealed studs, use a flat screwdriver to pry gently where metal meets sole while supporting the boot. Once the stud loosens, pull straight out to avoid tearing the upper. Make sure to keep good lighting. A steady hand prevents rounding edges and reduces damage risk. Once you've started, treat stubborn studs with penetrating lubricant. Let it soak in for 5 to 10 minutes so metal loosens. You then clamp locking pliers on the stud head and apply slow, steady torque. Avoid jerks that shear threads. If the head is rounded, use vice grip pliers or a stud extractor to bite into metal. Rotate in small back and forth motions to break corrosion. Make sure to support the boot sole while working to prevent flex damage. And you finish by cleaning the hole and removing metal shavings so new studs seat properly. A small brush and compressed air work well. If threads are intact, apply a light anti-seize or thread locker depending on preference, then fit replacement studs. If the insert or sole shows cracks, stop and consider a repair or cobbler. Forcing new studs can worsen damage. Troubleshooting. If a stud won't budge after lubricant and pliers, drill the head off carefully, then extract the shaft. Make sure to protect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.